All right, moving on. Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service and Team Bug Out. We have a battle. Natalie sent us an email. She says her home is vacant. It has flex plumbing pipes, and her husband has insisted that they don't need to keep the heat on in the winter. This question obviously came in about a month ago, but we got so many questions, folks. I'm trying to take them in a timely manner. The husband says don't need to keep the heat on in the winter because flex pipes won't burst. Is that true? She's wondering. Natalie, we're going to get the answer from the expert. Is this an expensive gamble, Brad?
So I think they are actually meaning to call that PEX rather than flex. PEX is a type of new water line. It's the ones that actually look red and blue. While they are certainly not freeze proof. They are a little bit more forgiving than copper, but absolutely they need to keep the heat on and at least what they would call a safety temperature in the house, which is typically around 52 to 54 degrees, because that PEX will burst. It will break. So,
and there's another caveat here. What about the toilets that retain water in the bowl and in the tank, right?
Yes.
I mean, that's a whole explain that could.
Well, yeah, and not just that, but I mean, think about what's happening when you put any of the building materials in your house, subject them to freezing temperatures, even your drywall. You're going to start getting cracks appearing even in that because of the extreme cold temperature. That's why, the HVAC, guys are going to tell you that the safe temperature is 52, 54 degrees, I think, is where most of them, they don't want the house to go below that temperature just to keep all of the building materials healthy and in the condition that you want to remain in rather than damaged, because you're trying to save a few dollars from heating the vacant house.
Yeah, I made a mistake. LaDonna and I had these ceramic pots that we bought last year on our front step. So we left them out because we put some mums in there. They're really nice, but then we had a freeze.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden the ceramic coating, the covered, started cracking off. And so those went to bye-bye. So we learned a lesson on that. Even don't leave them out. Even if you got beautiful mums in there, that's not going to help you, right? Just think about that. All right.